So this is Woody in makeup. It's a good look. They didn't even need to add any chest hair. That's all him.
You love it. Look at this.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even need to bring you that black hairspray I promised.
I've still got that hair dye you sent me, you bastard.
For those playing along at home, I got Woody's home address and he didn't know, and I sent him a pack of black hair dye and he freaked out thinking that he was being stalked by someone.
Yeah, you jerk. Welcome to Supercheap Auto's best performing oils latest behind the scenes video. We are on set. There's a Reese behind me. Ahoy, Reese!
What's this?
Morning, mate. Oh, how good is it? It's not even fake. So this year I am a fruit vendor, and we've got Nathan's Land Cruiser here with us. The yellow 350 Chev Cruiser FJ45, cool little truck. Got myself a pineapple. I'm going to straight up say right now, pineapple belongs on pizzas, burgers. You can have it on a barbecue, you can have it freshly sliced, you can have it in a juice, however you like it. I absolutely love pineapple, and I'm going to try carry this around with me all day. Kira, do you like pineapple on pizza?
No, it's horrible.
Oh no! Couple of the gems on set. So we're in Kyogle, and obviously the kind of old school township. And they had to get some cars for sets. Look, little 1300, pretty cool rig. I definitely want one of these one day. Something old Mazda rotary powered would be epic. And ZC Fairlane, beauty. Oh, look at that lighting, love that. And there's a couple of old gems just further parked down the street. Got a XY. This thing sounded pretty tough actually. I couldn't tell you if it's genuine or not, but I don't really care because it looks epic. And yeah, a couple more cars further down. And there's Levi's right down the bottom. It's a Castrol car this year. Kingswood. Sick. And this is my fruit stand that is going to be crashed into. I think that maybe Nathan's Utes going to be parked in the centre, maybe. I don't know. Is that where it's going to go, in the middle?
Don't know.
Okay.
Yet to be told.
It's pretty cool to see all this kind of stuff, though, eh?
Yeah, man. Yeah. It's all unfolding in a very interesting fashion.
I just realised that store's called Hoffman.
So,
Hoff pops up everywhere.
Did they shave your chest to put that on? Oh, you're going to be itchy.
No, I just don't have any chest there anyway. Been growing this for 34 years, bro.
Well curated.
30, tell us about the truck, mate. This thing looks freaking cool, so I want to know about it.
So it's a mate of mine, Paul, rebuilt it over the spicy flu period when everyone was stuck at home. So had to paint freshen up and engine tickle up and all that sort of stuff. It's a 350 Chev with 60 thou over. It's got a 5-speed from a 60 series, 60
Sweet.
series power steering, disc brakes, all that sort of fun stuff. Air conditioning. It's a good old bus.
Sweet.
Very, very
Hey
reliable.
guys, we've got a car coming down here at speed. Everyone needs to be tucked behind the Land Cruiser.
All right.
We've just been given the word to move, so we're hiding behind the Land Cruiser for safety.
I like it, mate. This thing's cool. Really, really cool.
Yeah, it's an auto style truck.
I would own the hell out of this, but you know what? I actually bought another 45 series that no one knows about. You know about it.
I know about it. I stitched you up. We got you a rusty one, so we'll get into that in the coming months, I guess.
Yeah, we will. I'm excited about that car. Sweet. All right. Thanks for coming down today, man. Appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. How's the sneaky setup?
Decent, mate.
Is that how you film underwater with a red camera?
Straight chugging in the esky, let's go. There's no beers in this esky, mate.
So you just carry on with your roll.
And I'm lifting fruit out of the back of the car.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing, yeah.
You probably already have it in your hands. So
Yeah.
Just, I would say, as you watch the cars come around, you'll see them out of your eyes. So
Yep.
just pretend you're in here fishing, loading up, boom, and then by the time they're here, it's just that's all that.
Yeah, okay. Yep. Cool. So my role in this year's video is I'm a fruit vendor, and a handsome one at that. We've got Nathan's Cruiser. I'm loading fruit into my fruit stall, and then the wagon comes past and knocks over the fruit stall. So then we're going to do 2 takes apparently. I've got to smash it down once, set it up again. The fruit stall is pretty funny because you think it's quite solid, but it's all balsa wood, so it should all just bounce off the XY anyway. It won't do any damage. So this is all just balsa wood, actually really flimsy. Some of the fruit is real. These blueberries are real. But real, and then there's other stuff that's all just fake stuff. But dragon fruit's real or fake? You tell me. Couple of bird nerds over here.
You go back to your fruit stand, mate.
So you control the drone and you control the camera.
Yeah.
How's the barn find? Love that. Secretly recording from this angle. I might get in trouble, but see how we go. Aftermath is gnarly. Oh, got a bit slippy there too. A couple of grapes and. Woo! Oh, perfect. That's so good. And then you got slippy from all the tomatoes and stuff at the end there. Yeah. You guys sell tobacco apparently.
Yeah, Woody, that's what we do, mate. Hey, what happened to your fruit stand?
Oh, nice. Someone smashed it.
There's a lot of zucchinis there. Are they resetting it to go again?
They're resetting it to do a stunt. Not going to smash it though, no.
Not going to smash it.
No.
There was no zucchinis there this morning though, and then they went to your room, and now there's a lot of.
Don't tell them that.
Oh, sorry.
Tell me
I love your hair, Blair. It suits you really
Do you
well.
know what? I shit you not. A local kid just came up to me and he goes, "How long have you been growing it?" And I think he thought it was real.
3, 2, 1, action.
Hey, you've been upgraded to stunt driver, mate.
Warm up, man. That's it for me.
Oh, couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Perfect.
A couple of the cars this year. This is actually an MX-5 with a Porsche body on top, and I am an absolute fan. This thing's really cool. It was like an MX-5 drift car. Hey lady, how you doing there? So it's got a hydro and apparently some lock stuff on the front end. Couldn't tell you what it is. It is a turbocharged MX-5 engine, and is representing Valvoline this year. I'm a fan. This thing's really cool, and Rob steers the hell out of it. Next up, Penrite. This is another one of Rob's cars. This is a trophy truck. I believe it's a Hilux chassis or something similar. Hilux body maybe on a custom chassis. I think it's an LS3 maybe. And oh, bloody cool thing. Does jumps. You can see it's got a bit bent up yesterday apparently, so they've fixed that control arm after jumping it a bit too hard. And Toby's in the seat. Look at this. The Toby?
Scotty. That's
Scotty.
My
Oh,
funny enough.
professional race car driver Scotty.
Yeah, something like that.
How you going? Is it LS3? Is this thing?
This is LS3, yeah.
Sweet.
LS3.
Nice
Auto
one.
trans, old ratchet shifter.
Nice
There
one.
we go.
Good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Don't bend that control arm again.
Yeah, brother.
Rear mount radiator. The Castrol flag is Levi's drift rod. This thing needs no introduction. It's been a part of, I think, 3 campaigns now. And flying the Castrol flag, it's got, I'm pretty sure it's like, I don't know if that's S13 brand. Well, it's obviously got a bloody Winter's quick change in it, but it looks Sylvia-ish. Dry sump, LS. Oh, it's got a Supra. This is like JZA Supra for sure. Very rowdy. The loudest car on set by far. So insane. Mobile One in Skechers XY wagon. This was last year. What was this last year? Was this Newlon last year, wasn't it? Yeah, okay. I mean, this thing's pretty stout. I'm actually keen to maybe line up a race with Sketch and Kevo. I reckon this would be a good race. Yeah, it's a good race, huh? Yeah. This makes a lot more power than mine, but it's not always about power. It's about consistency, and I got Kai in my corner too. So,
It's also about
man.
weight, 'cause you get fat girl.
Well, it is a big heavy. Kevo's not that light too, but yeah, mounting up some gnarly camera stuff. Why are they always so overkill? Why can't you just use a couple of suction cups? What's the go?
It's all about being stable. Pretty expensive to be hanging off a suction cup.
I suppose, yeah. What's a red camera worth? Yeah, crap.
Yeah, you got like 100 grand hanging off it.
God damn. Where does this actually bolt to on the car here?
It's up into the cage.
Oh, into the cage.
Into the cage.
Oh, yeah. Nice idea. Wicked. Awesome. I like that. I like this car Sketch. That's nice. All right. How are you doing, man?
Good, tired.
Look at you, fancy San Pellegrino on your hands.
Mate,
Sparkling.
seriously, I never liked sparkling water until I found this. And it was just my favourite drink ever now.
All right. You're here for like 4 days, is it?
Yeah, 4 days, looking after the vehicle, moving it around, making sure everything runs.
Yep.
And it's been running like a dream.
Sweet.
Word.
No worries. Right on. All right. Well, good luck with the rest of the day, man. I'm going to bail out
appreciate it.
actually. So
Thank
right
you.
on. Sweet as. Thanks for having me again, man. Right
No
on.
worries.
See you, dude.
See ya.
One of the coolest cars here, this Sigma wagon. Check that out.
That's my uncle's car.
Long roof, eat your heart out. That's your uncle's car.
Yeah.
Does he want to sell it? This is just a background car, I'm pretty sure, but it's a freaking toughie. XY race car. Sick. Oh, maybe it's like rally car, maybe? Nice one. I like that. A little bit of old cock with some rally tyres on it. Sick. And that's me done for behind the scenes of Supercheap Auto's latest best performing oils. Thank you again, Supercheap Auto, for having me. I really have a blast on these film sets. It's awesome to be here. And obviously all the Kyogle locals that have opened their arms for us to be here. It's very, very accommodating. And even last night, rocking up and having a beer at the pub, meeting some locals is really epic. I'm going to make the way home now because it is Sunday Ave and I'm going to go home to the family. A bit of a drive home, so a bit of a behind the scenes as to what goes on. I like doing these every year because I think it's good to see the little things you don't ever get to see up close with the ad. So I'll look forward to next year as always, and I'm sure it's going to be bigger and better than ever. I've got to find where I park my car. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, enjoy the moment. See you next time.